Well, that was fun. Not. After relashing on my gas can, because it fell off, now I've lost my routing group, so see how long it takes me to get to them. Yeah, gas can came off. That fucking sucked. Yeah. No, I went back and I'm like, where the fuck's my gas can? Yeah, this last jump pretty damn good. Then my fucking turn signal's hanging about. I'm like, fuck! Can't win. Yeah, I got more double-sided tape at home.
I noticed yours was kind of moving off a little bit too, so I looked back and my tank was bloody full.
How's your jerry can doing? The only one that doesn't have a jerry can. Yeah, yours is bolted on. It's beautiful country up here, eh?
Oh, it is. It's gorgeous. It's been a long time since I've been up through this way.
I've never been up through this way. Those deer were nice. You missed them.
Yeah, cow.
Just about hit the cow. I hit the cow shit though, so I'm gonna have to spray off my. I was trying to avoid that. I don't care if I hit a cow. Nobody's just having steak for dinner. Yeah. Come on. I'm sorry, Robbie, but this is a big red pig. Good old dirt ride. So Robbie, the guy with the other Honda, is motovlogger as well. Some of the pages I'm posting this video up on, guys, you'll know who I'm talking about. Robbie Ellis. And the other guy here, Terrence, or Terry, I don't know which one he prefers, is an International Brotherhood of Adventure Riding member. Dubuque supporting member. So it's good to get the motovloggers and the adventure guys together and have some fun. I can't see shit. But yeah, we're up beautiful British Columbia. Like, guys, it's hard to beat this. And we got snow. I hate snow. So yeah, we're going out to Chris Creek, which is, I think, 68 kilometers out on good old dirt roads. This is how I used to live on a ranch, and this is pretty much how we would get anywhere on the ranch, is by motorcycle, by truck, or tractor, and we'd have to do it on dirt roads. Some of the adventure guys are like, oh, dirt roads, we have to get there to good places. To get the trailheads, or we needed to get home every day. It's kind of fun though. You can screw around on dirt roads pretty good. Hurts as much as pavement though. This 650 is definitely not meant for this. I want trails. Not dirt roads. This stuff's slick. Ooh, dirt. This is graded recently. Catwalk over that. My fuel mileage is going to be terrible. This bike is so loud though. Probably ruining all the deers. Days just went on. Rah, rah. Stutter bombs. Ow! That hurt. I'm gonna fucking bend the rim in this shit. Fuck this, I can't fucking see shit, Robbie. I'm having to focus 20 feet ahead of me, just so you can fucking see. Oh, I'm in fifth already. Yeah, that was a decent 120 kilometers an hour on dirt. Fun. Not on these roads, but rock. Yeah, it's just beautiful country up here. This is the type of riding I just love to do. Why did I just go sideways there? Okay, that's still there. Make sure my jerry can's still there. Yep. We're high enough now that, like we're still, what, mid-April right now? That, if you go high enough in the Alpines, that, we still got quite a bit of snow. Thankfully the roads are somewhat clear. I don't know how far we're going today, because I just don't know how far the roads are going to permit. But it's nice, it's somewhat warm, a bit of cold air, but that's just because it snows everywhere. Oh man, I am leaning out so bad. But this is what it's like to go cross country. Now I'm starting to realize why so many people are into adventure riding, it's just, look at it. Oh, somebody actually lives up here. Lakes are still frozen, there's still dirt everywhere. Oh, so beautiful. Guys, welcome to Canada. Yeah. That's why I love living where I live. I'm 30 kilometers, or 35 kilometers out of the city center of a city with 130,000 people. 30 kilometers, so 25 miles-ish, and we can reach this. Why we do what we do. It's just this beautiful. That's why you never see motorcycles outside of therapist's office. Phototherapy, guys. That's why we love it. You guys, like, I don't know if some of you don't ride or don't feel like riding or what, or I know, like, I struggle with depression. I know some of you guys do as well. This is the best feeling in the world. No worries, you're free as a bird. Flying down here and it's breathtaking. Look at that. It's just breathtaking. You guys are probably wondering, oh, why is he just mumbling on? Something don't feel right. Oh, shit. I'll talk to you guys in a sec.